Hi, today we're looking at how to repair stripped thread. This is the cam carrier from a Vauxhall CZ14XE. The top face has a thread for the cam cover bolts, and this has been stripped. We can't simply replace this part as it is line bored when bolted to the cylinder head, and a new one will not align correctly. So to make a permanent repair, we're going to use a Time-Sert. In the Time-Sert kit we have a drill, a tap, a countersink bit to allow the insert to be fitted flush with the top of the cam carrier, and a thread former. As the bolt hole is blind, that means it doesn't go all the way through, we do need to select the correct length insert and know how deep we're going to drill. We also need to make sure the insert is the same thread as the original bolt. I'm using a pillar drill and centre finder to ensure the hole is drilled straight. Insert the drill into the chuck, making sure the chuck is clear of the flutes as you tighten it. Then tighten the chuck. To ensure we only drill out the old thread, it's important that we set the lock stop to the correct depth. And this clip just shows a better view of the lock stop on this particular model of drill. Next, making sure you follow safety procedures, drill the hole. Place the countersink bit into the chuck and, again following safety procedures, countersink the top of the drilled hole. To start the tap square to the hole, I found it easier to mount the tap in the chuck and use that, making sure it stays nice and square. Once started, use the tap wrench to finish off the new, larger thread, but do be careful not to bottom the tap into a blind hole. After cleaning out the swarf from the hole, take the thread former and add some lubricant to it. Thread the insert onto the former and screw it into the cam carrier. Using the tap wrench to help, screw the insert in, ensuring the shoulder sits in the countersink recess. Just there. As you screw the former further in, it expands out the lower section of the insert, giving a tight friction lock on the threads in the cam carrier. Once this is done, the repair is complete, and is actually stronger than the original aluminium alloy thread.